Ready to rethink the way you handle everyday life? These Amazon gadgets are built to simplify routines, remove small frustrations, and make daily tasks feel effortless. From smart upgrades to practical finds you'll actually use, each one can change how you live. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Ever panic when your phone dies midday? This pocket-sized power bank clips right to your keys and keeps your phone and smartwatch charged all day. Built-in cables mean no extra cords, just plug in and go. With a 5,000 mAh battery, you can top up your phone once or recharge your smartwatch multiple times. You can even power more than one device at the same time. Small, smart, and always ready. So if you're tired of dead batteries, scan the QR to shop now. Who said charging has to be boring? This robot-shaped wall charger powers your phone, laptop, and gadgets while showing fun expressions on its tiny screen. 3 ports let you charge multiple devices at once, so no more fighting over outlets. It uses GaN technology for faster charging with less heat in a super compact body. Powerful, playful, and ready when you are. So if you want stress-free charging, scan the QR on screen. Eyes glued to screens all day? Your eyes deserve a break. This wearable eye massager blocks out light and gently wraps around your eyes for total relaxation. Built-in heat loosens tension and soothes tired muscles in minutes. 5 massage modes let you choose exactly how you want to unwind. It even folds flat for home, work, or travel. So if you want instant eye relief, scan the QR on screen. These aren't just earbuds, they're a mini control center for your music. The charging case has a full-color touchscreen, letting you check battery life, change tracks, and adjust sound without touching your phone. Bluetooth 5.3 keeps the connection fast and stable, so your audio stays smooth with no dropouts. You get long listening time, plus extra power stored in the case for recharging on the go. They're comfortable, sweat-resistant, and built to keep up with workouts, calls, and everyday life. Tired, aching feet can ruin your whole day. This smart foot massager uses gentle electrical pulses to wake up your muscles and boost circulation. It offers multiple modes and intensity levels, so you control how strong the massage feels. The stimulation helps ease soreness from long days, swelling, or stubborn foot pain. Rechargeable and easy to use, it lets you relax your feet anytime, anywhere. Dry air making your space feel uncomfortable? This double spray humidifier refreshes the air fast with a soft, steady mist. It runs quietly, so you can work, sleep, or relax without distraction. The fine mist keeps your skin hydrated and your breathing easier. Smart sensors automatically stop it when water runs low. Lightweight and USB rechargeable, it's ready anywhere you need fresher air. So if you want comfort on demand, scan the QR on screen. Stamping just went fully digital. This handheld electronic marker lets you print full-color designs with a simple swipe. You create the imprint on your phone, tablet, or computer, then change it anytime you want. Add logos, text, QR codes, or dates in seconds. No new stamp needed. One ink cartridge lasts for thousands of clear, colorful prints, making labeling and branding fast, flexible, and fun. Capture moments instantly and creatively with this mini instant camera. It has a built-in selfie mirror and dual shutter buttons, so you can shoot both portraits and landscapes perfectly. You can apply different lens and film effects for endless photo styles. Connect to your phone via Bluetooth to print pictures or save them digitally. Compact and fun, it turns every moment into a tangible memory you can hold and share. Stress and tight muscles don't stand a chance. This mini handheld massager targets your shoulders, neck, back, and legs with gentle vibrations. Small but powerful, it lets you relax anytime without a full spa setup. Multiple speed settings let you pick the perfect intensity for your comfort. Lightweight and portable, you can use it at home, at the office, or on the go. So if you want instant muscle relief, scan the QR on screen. Need more screen space without buying a new laptop? This ultra-thin portable monitor adds a second, or even third display in seconds. The 14-inch FHD screen delivers bright, clear colors and reduces eye strain with blue light filtering. Plug it in via USB-C or HDMI and start multitasking, gaming, or streaming with ease. Built-in speakers and a protective case make it perfect for work or travel. Expand your view and boost productivity anywhere you go. Gaming on the go just got next level. This handheld console fits perfectly in your hands and looks sleek while you play. Its 4-inch IPS touchscreen is smooth and sharp, making every retro and Android game pop. With an 8-core processor, 8GB RAM, and 128GB storage, you can load tons of games without slowing down. Plus, a built-in fan keeps it cool, while the long-lasting battery lets you play for over 8 hours anywhere. Fixing gadgets has never been this satisfying. This 60-in-1 precision screwdriver set has every bit you could ever need for phones, laptops, watches, or glasses. The bits are made from tough CRV steel, so they stay sharp and fit perfectly. A 360 degrees rotating handle and anti-slip grip make one-handed repairs easy and comfortable. Plus, the pop-up magnetic case keeps everything organized. So, if you want hassle-free repairs, scan the QR on screen. Get your shots exactly how you want them. This magic arm with clamp lets you mount phones, cameras, lights, or mics right over your desk. Each joint adjusts independently, so you can angle and position your device perfectly. The anti-slip clamp and deadbolt locks keep everything steady, even during long shoots. Made from solid aluminum, it's strong, durable, and ready for all your recording, streaming, or overhead filming needs. Travel with peace of mind wherever you go. This hidden camera detector spots cameras in hotels, Airbnb, offices, or bathrooms using ultra-sensitive infrared light. It works even on newer cameras, scanning for signals invisible to your eyes. Simple to use, just press a button and the light alerts you when a camera is nearby or the battery is low. With over 30 days of battery life, you can feel safe without worrying about constant charging. Plumbing just got a whole lot easier. This multifunctional faucet and sink wrench tackles tight spaces without breaking a sweat. Its 4-jaw hex design fits multiple nut sizes, and 360 degrees rotation makes reaching tricky pipes a breeze. Lightweight yet durable, it handles everything from faucets to P and S-shaped pipe elbows. With 8-in-1 and 14-in-1 attachments, you're ready for almost any kitchen or bathroom fix. So if you want plumbing made simple, scan the QR on screen. Level up your selfies and videos instantly. This creator kit combines a magnetic phone grip with a rotatable selfie light, giving you perfect lighting and steady shots anywhere. The magnetic mount works with iPhone MagSafe or Android phones, so you can snap, stream, or shoot effortlessly. Compact and travel-ready, it keeps your gear organized while letting you get creative on the go. Use the grip and light together or separately for maximum flexibility. Bring the cinema anywhere you go. This mini projector fits in the palm of your hand, but can display up to a 200-inch screen in stunning 1080p HD. It works with iPhone, Android, TV sticks, and more, so you can stream or mirror your favorite content effortlessly. Built-in hi-fi speakers and efficient heat dissipation make movies crisp and clear without extra gear. Portable and easy to set up, it's perfect for indoor or outdoor movie nights. Turn any window into a digital masterpiece. This flexible LED film sticks to glass and shows vibrant images without blocking light, staying nearly invisible when off. You can fold, bend, or splice it to fit curved or irregular surfaces. Super thin and lightweight, it's easy to install and move. Control it from your phone or computer to display videos, pictures, or dynamic content instantly. So if you want a futuristic touch at home, scan the QR on screen. Breakfast just got a stylish upgrade. This retro toaster perfectly browns a single slice of bread every time. Its compact design fits any kitchen while adding a nostalgic touch with its classic brown finish. Simple controls let you toast exactly how you like: light, golden, or extra crispy. Durable and reliable, it's a small appliance that makes your mornings easier and more delicious. Keep your valuables close and secure on the go. This slide headrest safe fits right in your passenger seat and can be easily removed when needed. Access your items fast with biometrics, a keypad, or a key. 3 convenient ways to unlock. Made from strong alloy steel, it protects firearms or personal items while traveling. No complicated installation, just slide it in and you're ready to go safely. Say goodbye to crooked cuts forever. These laser-guided scissors project a bright line, letting you slice fabric, paper, or crafts perfectly straight every time. The ergonomic handle and soft grip make long projects easy and comfortable, even if your hands get tired. Magnetic design keeps them handy and safe, while sharp stainless steel blades cut quickly and cleanly. From sewing to gift wrapping, you'll get perfect results every time. So if you want flawless cuts, scan the QR on screen. Turn any bath into a relaxing spa experience. This portable bath spa fits right in your tub and uses dual hydrojets to create soothing bubbles or a gentle massage. Adjust the jets to your liking and let the warm water melt away stress. Easy to set up and safe for home use, it transforms your bathroom into a personal oasis. Perfect for unwinding after a long day or enjoying a luxurious soak anytime. Capture every adventure without missing a moment. This mini action camera is tiny, lightweight, and fits in the palm of your hand, yet shoots stunning 2.7K video. Mount it anywhere, on your bike, pet, or backpack, and record hands-free POV shots effortlessly. With a flip touchscreen, remote preview, and flow state stabilization, your footage stays smooth and steady. Waterproof and rugged, it's ready for travel, outdoor adventures, or creative content anytime, anywhere. Upgrade your hydration game in style. This premium carbonator turns plain water into crisp, refreshing, sparkling water in seconds with a simple lever pull. Made from seamless stainless steel, it's durable, sleek, and looks great on any countertop. Each CO2 cylinder makes hundreds of ounces, cutting down on single-use plastic bottles. Compact, electricity-free, and easy to use, it brings sparkling water to your everyday routine. So, if you want fizzy water anytime, scan the QR on screen. Take the struggle out of trimming nails. These long-handled clippers have a comfortable rounded grip, making it easy for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. The sharp stainless steel blades cut thick nails cleanly, while the built-in magnifying glass ensures you see every detail. A handy nail file smooths edges for a polished finish. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for home use or travel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.